secret exposed, Connie Ferguson on the secret to her happy marriage. There's no arguing that Connie and Shona Ferguson are the ultimate relationship goals in showbiz. Not only have they stood the test of time, they have done it with class and no drama. Connie Ferguson on the secret to her happy, balanced marriage. The actress, who owns a production company with her husband, fellow actor Shona Ferguson, spoke to Move magazine on how they make everything work. "Shona and I have great chemistry and synergy, both personally and professionally. We understand only too well that we will not always agree on everything, so we have learned the art of compromise. What is important to us is respect and knowing that we're working towards the same goal," she told the mag. Mrs. Ferguson says they make a point of going away as a family during work and school breaks. "It can be tricky sometimes when one is chasing deadlines, but our weekends, especially Sundays, are dedicated to family."
Yeah.